Hello, welcome back. So in today's video I have my weekly fridge restocking, so we'll see all about that and actually understand, Valentine's is approaching. But guys, let me tell you this, if at all I don't have any other video coming up, I love you guys. So let's see what I got in this weekly fridge restocking, what I use on a weekly basis, that is. So, and before we get into that, guys, let me tell you this: you cannot expect to be loved if you don't love yourself. So love yourself first, gift yourself for you to be gifted, love yourself for you to be loved, and make yourself happy for someone else to make you happy. So flowers are not that expensive. It's not a must you get yourself some expensive things. If you cannot afford it, just get something cheaper, at least for your own happiness. Make yourself feel good on that day. Don't stay in your bed, in your room, or in your office feeling frustrated, stressed, like I don't have someone to give me, I don't have someone for dinner today. Girl, you better get up, make yourself happy. Chocolates are not expensive as such. Flowers, you can get any flower that you can afford and make yourself. Go somewhere, have some dinner. It doesn't have to be that expensive. You can just have some. Make yourself happy. Make yourself happy, girl. If I want to make you happy, you must make yourself happy first. So, yeah, if you can afford expensive things, at least for once, buy yourself an expensive thing. Don't stress yourself. Don't stress yourself. Just have some little cash. 3,000, 5,000 can make yourself happy. Flowers, chocolates, champagne, some nice dinner. Dress good, look good, smell good. So guys, I got some veggies. I usually get a lot of veggies because I don't like kales, that's sukuma wiki. I usually get a lot of veggies, different veggies like managu, sagas. Also have some githeri that I remained from the last week's stock. As you can see, I also got some packs of milk that will last me the whole of this week. I also got some Del Monte, one pack, is it a pack or something? I also got some Ribena. I also got 2 liters of soda. I got some 3 packs of Lato milk for my baby, and also the flavored ones, 2 packs. I got also some mala, 2 natural and 1 sweetened, of course, for my baby. And I also got some 3 yogurts, small packs of yogurts, yeah, also for my kid. Up there I also got some sausages. This time around I decided to go for the smoked sausages. So yeah, as you can see, the arrangement is a little bit tricky, but let's just keep calm and wait for the final setup. So yeah, I also got some eggs. As you can see, eggs, I usually use eggs a lot. I got some liver too, and I got some goat meat and also some beef. So yeah, as I was saying, eggs I usually get a lot. So yeah guys, I also got some tomatoes. I usually get lots of them because buying tomatoes now and then it sucks. So yeah, I also got some fruits. I got some apples and mangoes. Those are my baby's favorites, and also the dad. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, the arrangement now looks a bit more organized than before. It was a little bit tricky to arrange them, but as you can see now, they're a bit organized. So that's all I have for this week's shopping or fridge restock. So yeah. So after lots of work, so I decided to make some chapatis. Understand, cooking chapatis is another work, like it's another whole lot of work. So, but I decided to make them because that was in my timetable. I was supposed to take, chapatis. So some little salt and some little sugar to taste. I usually use let me say water and oil. I usually prefer them to be hot. Like the water is always hot and oil is always warm. That's why you can see I'm warming the oil. So after mixing all that, that's flour, some salt and some little sugar to bring some sweetness. So I add that hot water, not really hot, but it's not warm though, so I can say it's hot, but not really hot to burn your hand. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. So after it has mixed well, you add some oil and you start the process of cooking. So guys, my chapatis are ready, as you can see. and they're really soft. Like they're really, really soft and sweet. Actually, they're really soft and sweet. You see, it was really hot, but yeah, I managed to thaw it so you can see that it's really soft. So yeah, so they're ready to be served. You can serve them with beans, dengu, beef, or chicken.